Chicken. Sat. Sat. Hot? It's hot?
Mainit.
Good?
Later na. Not chicken one.
This one? Yes, one.
Nalabudan 5.
Chicken. Meal chicken.
Yeah.
I already had chicken.
Yeah, okay.
What happened in the...
Ba't ito yung...
No.
What? No spoiler? Why? Just tell me once. Hmm? Maybe it's not the Oh, yes. Okay.
Good? Papi good? Paano yung good? Paano yung good?
The best one.
Ito anak ko. Ito, chicken anak, chicken. Meal o chicken. Ito na. Anak, ayaw. Ayaw bigyan.
I think Papa was making sense about the most famous game.
Papi, chicken no? Papi, chicken no?
Like, okay, then yogurt.
There's no jail here. There's some lemon.
But the one near us, you know, they have a vehicle that guy used drone, huh? The drone?
It's a jailbreak drone.
The one that the guy used and people call him hacker. The one with the Paris.
But it said that was a drone. It said, well, that's jailbreak drone.
Inaano mo? Pwede mo?
Even in the temple for it. Rock
Chicken yun.
Sabi ko,
Ano parang nagsimula? Nakawalang kulay.
actually, dalawang kamay.
Wala mo sila pagmamahal.
Tumutok may chicken.
Full?
Mahal na mahal.
Mateo, ano that? Kain ba yun? Marco? Nakain pa.
Ako makain ka pa ba?
I just drink water.
Para malinaw, dapat may resibo. Money sa October, mag-break na tayo.
Looking forward, hindi natin masaktan ang isa't isa. In its 30th year, Star Cinema invites you back to theaters
and experience again the magic of cinema, starring this generation's love team, Bel Mariano,
Huwag na yan, Marco. Ano ba yan? Dito lang, oh. Ito mo si Marco. Si Pablo.
Inconvenient na tayo sa isa't isa.
Buto na yun, anak. Ito, tata. Ito, chicken. Oh, yan,
Yan, you
chicken.
got chicken.
After Daddy, I'm full na.
You're full?
Yeah.
Kasi mo anak yung rice mo. Good, Pabi?
No. Come on there, concentrate on your food. Come on, ano si Mel, dami.
Daddy, ay po, class.
Ha? You're done? You're done? What do you want?
Buto na yata yun.
Buto to anak. Ito ano ko chicken. Oh. Huwag ka magmadali, Pablo. Meron siya, dami kinalat ko. Oo, Pablo. Pablo. Uy,
Nakalimutan mo na agad yung nangyari. Late na yun. Sorry, nakalimutan mo yun sa September 16. Pero hindi ko pa rin siya nakakalimutan.
Ay, may mga ano dyan, diba?
kasama na yung buong kamay. Dan? Dan?
Hindi, manok.